this equation 3x squared plus kx plus 12 has equal roots, right? So that means if I am going to consider a quadratic equation, right, we know that we have two roots, right? So let the two roots be alpha and beta, right? So now according to this problem, right, both the roots are equal, right? So what is the condition in order to have equal roots? The condition is this, right? The condition is the discriminant delta x must be 0, right? So that is the condition, right? So if I am going to consider the general format for a quadratic equation as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, right? We know that the discriminant delta x is given by b squared minus 4ac, right? So let's apply that over here, right? So then what will be the discriminant of this equation, right? So then discriminant delta x of the given equation will be b squared, right? So what is b squared here? K squared, simple k squared minus 4. What is a? That is the coefficient of x squared term, right? B squared minus 4. What is a? 3, right? Then what is c? C must be 12. Now we got it, right? So k squared minus 4 into 3 into 12, right? So that is k squared minus 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 12, 144. Delta x equals k squared minus 144, right? So now what is the condition in order to have equal roots? This delta x, the discriminant must be 0, right? So that means delta x must be 0, right? So that means k squared minus 144 should be 0, right? So then k squared equals 144, right? So then k must be the square root of 144, where the answer will be plus or minus 12, right? Be very careful. Plus, so let's consider this k equals positive 12, right? So then we can write 3x squared plus 12x plus 12 equals 0, right? So now we can factorize this, right? How? 3x squared, right, plus 6x plus 6x plus 12 equals 0, right? Then 3x times x plus 2 plus 6 times x plus 2 equals 0, right? So that means x plus 2 equals 0, 3x plus 6 equals 0, right? So if you solve this, you will be getting x equals minus 2 or x equals minus 2, right? Right. So now the same thing you can do for k equals minus 2, right? So then you will be getting the roots as x equals 2 or x equals 2, right? So now there you can very clearly observe we have obtained both the roots as equal roots, right?